Hello everyone, welcome to GV Ready Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe and enable notification for more interesting ongoing videos. Right, today is one more trick. Right, this is some trick how to handle the hidden and disappearing elements. Sometimes we will face a difficulty in identifying locators. Right, suppose if you take this is the Flipkart, we can open in the search. Suppose if you try to write, suppose I am trying something Samsung. Right, I want to inspect this one. Right, if you see, if you right click, it will disappear immediately. Right, it will disappear immediately. Then how to handle these type of right elements, right? Disappearing elements, right? Quickly it will disappear and we cannot identify locators of this. Right, there are multiple ways we will discuss. Right, we will discuss all those. Right, which one will work? Just see. Some websites will work. Some right, some method. Some websites will not work. All the methods will not work in all the browsers. Right, whichever will work. Right, you can use it. I will tell you multiple ways. Right, first one is right. Just right click, inspect. Right, now type here something. Okay, right, right, then come to here right side. If you see downside right side, you will able to see right event listeners, event listeners, right, event listeners are there. If you unable to see event listeners, just click on this double arrow. Right, double arrow, it will show the event listeners. Right, just click on the event listeners, there is a blur tag will be there. Right, you remove these two from the blur. Right, remove those blur. Then now try to inspect. Right, it's not working. Right, previously right, some websites will work that methodology. Right, if you remove the blur and then we can inspect it, but here it is not working. Then how to handle? Right, this one is not working. Right, this approach is not working here. Then how to handle? Right, one more way. Right, then right, open sources, open source. Right, open sources. Right, here elements recorder console sources is there. Open sources, and right here type whatever we want. Right, then press F8. Right, press F8. Right, press F8. Right, now inspect it and click on this one. Right, inspect. Now see. Right, we can able to identify that. Right, menu is not going, it is in a div. Right, one way is this one. Right, right, how to go to sources. Right, and type in that text box, type something, and right, press F8. Click on this console. Right, right, I will show you again. Right, something, yeah, okay. Then come to sources and click on this sources and press F8. Right, it will stop there. Right, debugger will stop. We can right arrow, right click will not work. Right click will not work. Just click on this arrow and inspect it. Right, it will go to the DOM. Right, we can inspect. This is the one way. Right, this is the another way. Right, first one is event listeners. If it is working fine, otherwise we can come to sources and in the select box type it. Right, type something and come to sources, press F8. It will stop. And one more way, right, if you know about the right, come to elements again. If you know about selector sub, there is a plugin called selector sub. You can install. Right, you can search selectors. Right, in the Google you can search for it. Right, selectors hub. Right, extension, you can click on it, you can install it as a plugin. Right, as a plugin. Now it will come. Right, after inspect. Right, open the developer console. Open the developer console. Right, if we click on this double arrow, we will get the selector sub. Right, you can click on the selector sub. Then here type something. And there is a something right on the top right bottom of the right, you will see the some menus. Right here you can click on turn on debugger. Right, turn on debugger. Click on it. It will enable debugging mode. Right. This way also we can install either F8 we can press to stop the debug mode, or we can install selector sub plugin and also we can do this. And one more way, right? These are the right three ways, right? If you want to stop this debugging, go to sources and top right we have a continue resume. Just click on it, it will go away. Debugger will go away. Right now, right, we have seen one is event listeners and one more is come to sources press F8, or we can use selector submit plugin enable the debugger. That we can do one more way. Right, one more way. Right, one more way. Come to elements. Come to elements. Right, now type on the type something. Right, okay, or something I found. I'm typing. Okay, type something. Right now, press. One second, I will refresh everything. Right, type something here. Right, something Apple. Okay, then come to elements, click on the elements. Right, shortcut control shift P, control shift P, press the control shift P. Right, what is control plus shift, not plus, that means at a time press all these buttons. Control shift P, control shift P in the elements. Right, elements tab, click elements tab, control shift P. Right, then it will open control shift P, one run command. Here what we can do, emulate, we can type the emulate. Right, I think I already emulated. Again, control shift P, emulate. Right, emulate a focused page, emulate a focused page. Click on this, click on this. Right, now click on the arrow button. See, now it's not going away. Right, we can inspect this is by using control shift P, you can press and then see still these menus are not going away. Right, now if you want to disable that, again control shift P. Right, emulate type emulate, here it will come, do not emulate focus, do not emulate. Now see, it is if you click anywhere it will going away. Right, we can, these are the multiple ways. One is event listeners and remove the blur. If that is working fine, that's fine. Otherwise come to sources, press F8, or you can use selector sub plugin, or control shift P, run command. Right, run command we can use the emulate a focused page. Right, right, some websites will work any one methodology, all will not work. There is right, no guarantee will should work all in for every element. Right, whichever is working, just right, try that. Right, if you like right, my way of teaching and content presentation, just subscribe to the channel, enable notification for more interesting videos like this. Right, please share to your friends and comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.